Good morning, friends. Today I will explain you mole concept. You see, mole and the concept. What is the concept of the mole? This mole represents the molecules. Generally, if we say that the collection of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 elementary particles is called 1 mole. Here what is used? Elementary particles. Now Avogadro defines number of atoms present in 12 gram of carbon. You say Avogadro defines number of atoms present in 12 gram of carbon, that is atomic mass of carbon 12 is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Here what is number of atoms present in 12 gram atomic mass, that is atom. So it was said that the collection of this much number, that is 6.022 10 to the power 23 elementary particles is called 1 mole. Now here is general term elementary particles. It may be atom, it may be a molecule, or it may be ion. So if we say that 1 mole of atom, that is atomic weight, 1 mole of atom, that is atomic weight, is having 6.022 10 to the power 23 atoms. And if we say gram molecular mass, here, listen here, we are using molecules. Gram molecular mass, then it will be a molecule, it will contain 6.022 10 to the power 23 molecules. It means if we consider the atomic weight, it will have the atoms, and if we consider the molecular weight, it will have the molecules. For example, 1 mole of water. 1 mole of water, that is 1 molecule of water, then molecular weight is 18 gram. It means 1 mole of water means 18 gram of the water will contain 6.022 10 to the power 23 molecules of the water. So mole, that is concept. So concept of the mole. Listen. So if we write a general definition, then we will say collection of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 elementary particles is the 1 molecule. And it was defined by the Avogadro by taking the atoms present in 12 gram of the carbon, that is atomic mass of carbon 12. He found number of atoms is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So if we take 1 mole of the atom, that is atomic weight, it will have 6.022 10 to the power 23 atoms. And if we say it is GMM, that is gram molecular mass, then 1 molecule, it will contain 6.022 10 to the power 23 molecules. If we take example of the 1 molecule of water, its molecular weight is 18 gram, then 18 gram of the water will contain 6.022 10 to the power 23 molecules. So this is the mole concept. So simply mole concept means a molecule. It may be an atom or the molecule. If it is atomic weight, then it will be the number of the atoms, and if it is the molecular weight, it will contain the molecules. Then again, Avogadro said that the volume of the 1 mole of the gas, 1 mole of the gas means 1 molecule of the gas, if measured at STP, it is equal to the 22.4 liter. It is known as the molar volume. So, relationship is 1 gram molecular mass, that is known as the 1 molecule. It contains 6.022 10 to the power 23 molecules, and this much number of the molecules of the gas are 1 molecule of the gas. It is equal to 22.4 liter volume when measured at STP. So actually this is the relationship of the Avogadro number and the gram molecular mass, that is collection of this much number of elementary particle is known as the 1 mole, and the volume of the 1 mole of the gas is always equal to 22.4 liter by volume when measured at STP. Okay, I think it will be clear what is mole. Now in last video I explained you atomic mass and the molecular mass. Now today I will explain you fractional atomic masses. You see, most of the natural elements found in nature are the mixtures of the constant composition of 2 or more isotopes. It means when an element is having 2 or more isotopes in a fixed ratio, then it will have atomic mass in fractions. For example, if you take chlorine, it is a mixture of 2 isotopes of 35 and 37 mass in the ratio of 3:1. Chlorine in nature exists in 2 isotopes of 35 mass and 37 mass, and in the ratio 3:1. Then here average relative atomic mass will be calculated. That is average relative atomic mass. See, ratio of 35 isotopes plus ratio of 37, that is 35 into 3 plus 37 into 1 upon 3 plus 1, that is 4. Then we get 35.5. So this is how the fractional atomic mass is measured. Listen, when the elements they exist in 2 or more isotopes having a fixed ratio, then we can calculate the average relative masses taking their isotopes and the ratio. Okay, I think most concept is clear to you. If you like my videos, please share and subscribe. Now in my next video, I will give you more information regarding the gases. Okay, thanks very much.